Hello everyone, today the topic we are going to look is how to find unit digit. Suppose in this case, for finding unit digit, we simply multiply the unit digit of each number. First 9 into 1, which will become 9, again 9 into 3, 27. The unit digit in 27 is 7. Again 7 multiplied by 2, 14. The unit digit in 14 is 4. That means our answer is 4. We have an important concept called cyclicity for finding the unit digit. Let's see what this concept says. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 128, 2 power 8 256. Here observe, the 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 5 is 32. The unit digit in 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 5 is 2. Here also the unit digit in 2 square is 4 and 2 power 6 is 4. That means we can say that after every 4 powers of 2, the unit digit remains constant. See, 2 cube 8, 2 power 7 128, 2 power 4 16, unit digit 6. Here also unit digit 6. From here I can say that the unit digit in 2 power 9 is also 2, 2 power 13 is also 2, 2 power 17 is also 2, and so on. Here also the unit digit in 2 power 10 is 4, the unit digit in 2 power 14 is 4. That means the cyclicity of the number 2 is 4. Similarly, we can obtain the cyclicity of the remaining numbers. For suppose 3 power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81, 3 power 5 243. Here the cyclicity of the number 3 is also 4. That means after every 4 powers of 3, the unit digit remains constant. 3 power 6, the unit digit in 3 power 6 is also 9. For suppose 4 power 1 4, 4 square 16, 4 power 4 cube 64. In the case of 4, after every 2 powers of 4, the unit digit remains constant. 4 power 4 becomes 256. Here after every 2 powers, the unit digit remains constant. From this concept we can say that the cyclicity of the numbers 1 5 6 is 1, 4 9 is 2, and 2 3 7 8 is 4. We have to remember this. Let's see how we use this concept in finding the unit digit. Here we have to find unit digit in these 4 cases. 3 power 129. The cyclicity of the number 3 is 4. First divide the power with the cyclicity of the number. 121 divided by 4. The remainder is 1. To find unit digit we have to write 3 power 1, which will become 3. That means the unit digit here is 3. 3 power 122 divided by 4. The remainder is 2. Write 3 square 9. The unit digit is 9. Again 123 divided by 4. The remainder is 3. Write 3 cube, which will become 27. The unit digit is 7. 3 power 124. When 124 divided by 4, the remainder is 0. When remainder becomes 0, make cyclicity as the power, that is 3 power 4, which will become 81. The unit digit in this case is 1. Next we will solve some examples based on this concept. Now we have to find unit digit in all these 3 cases. The cyclicity of the number 9 is 2. Divide this by 2. It is divisible by 2. That means remainder is 0. In this case, make cyclicity as the power. That is 9 square 81. We can say that unit digit is 1. In this case, the cyclicity of the number 8 is 4. Divide this by 4. Here we have to divide last 2 digits to find remainder. The remainder is 2. 8 square 64. That means the unit digit in this case is 4. Here we will first find unit digit here and multiply these two unit digits. 3 power 181. The cyclicity of the number 3 is 4. Divide this by 4. The remainder is 1. 3 power 1. Here 6 power 264. The cyclicity of the number 6 is 1. That means 6 power anything is 6. 3 into 6, 18. The unit digit is 8. We use this concept for finding unit digit of any number. That's all about this topic. In the next topic we will see how to find last two digits of any sum.